Hi guys, welcome back to Math with Marilyn. As usual, before we get started, go ahead and grab your pencil and paper so that you can take proper notes as you follow along. So today's topic is factoring a sum or difference of whole numbers. It's two parts. The first part wants us to find the greatest common factor between 7 and 35, and then we're going to use that to factor 7 plus 35 for part B. So as you can see off to the right, I have written L method, and that stands for the ladder method. It's actually a method that one of my colleagues shared with me, and I think it's awesome it's awesome to share because it actually has several topics that it hits within using this one strategy. All right, so we're only going to focus on finding the GCF today, but I promise this week we are only going to do the ladder method so that I can show you all the different highlights behind it. All right, so let's get started. They call it the ladder method because you're kind of using a L-shaped figure. So I'm going to write my two numbers. I have my 7 and my 35 are the numbers that I'm trying to find the GCF between. And underneath, I'm going to draw what looks like an L shape. So there's the connection, the ladder method or the L method. All right. On the outside of our L-shaped figure, because it's not quite an L, is the number that you're going to divide into both of these numbers. Obviously, you have to pick a number that goes into both of them evenly, so I kind of already know that it's 7. So 7 goes into 7 one time, or you can say 7 divided by 7 is 1, and 35 divided by 7 is 5. All right. In this case, I can't go any further because I'm dealing with 1 and 5 that are left. And there's no number that's going to go into 1 and 5 evenly. So this is how I know this is my stopping point, which lets me know that the number outside of my L is my GCF. So I'm just going to write, I can put it in here. So my GCF for A is 7. If there were more than one number, if we had to complete this same strategy over again, then you would multiply the two numbers that are outside of your L. I'll actually do one like that after this one just so that you can see what I mean. All right, let's just finish this one out. So part B says use the GCF to factor 7 plus 35. So your 7, your GCF is going to go outside of your parentheses. And what's going to go inside of your parentheses are the two digits that are left over below the L. So my 1 and my 5. All right, and we can check it because we should come up with 2 with the left side that equals the right. I know that if I use my distributive property, and I like to rewrite this so it looks like this, because basically that's what we just did. We just factored it, which was like setting up using the distributive property. So remember, your distributive property says you take the number outside of your parentheses and you multiply by every number inside. So 7 times 7 is 7. Bring down my plus sign, and 7 times 5 is 35. And obviously, that equals 7 plus 35 will equal itself. So it lets us know that what we've done is correct. All right, I'm just gonna make up another one so that we can try it, so that you can see the process if you have to go through this procedure more than one time. So let's find, excuse my sloppy handwriting, let's find the GCF of 24 and 36. All right, so again, I'm going to set up my L method. So I have my 24, my 36. I'm going to draw my L shape. I need to find one number that goes into both of those evenly. Since they're both even numbers, I'm going to use 2. So 24 divided by 2 is 12. 36 divided by 2 is 18. And so here's what I mean from my example 1. 12 and 18, I know I can go further with them because 2 can be divided into both of those numbers. So I'm going to draw another L shape. On the outside of that, I'm going to use 2 again because I know 2 goes into both of those. All right. So 12 divided by 2 is 6. 18 divided by 2 is 9. Should we stop here? Is there a number that goes into 6 and 9 evenly? Yes, it's actually 3. So I'm going to draw my L again. This time I'm going to use the number 3. All right. 6 divided by 3 gives me 2. And 9 divided by 3 gives me 3. Now I think we've reached our stopping point because there is not a number that can go into 2 and 3 both evenly. So this is my stopping point. So in order to find my GCF, and the whole point of me doing the second example, is now you can see you have 1, 2, 3 digits that are left on the left side of our figure, our shape. All right, so you're going to have to multiply those out in order to find the GCF. So you have 2 times 3. Only the ones that are on this side, not at the bottom, the ones that are on the left side. All right, and obviously 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. So 12 in this case is my GCF. So hopefully that was helpful. We will definitely practice some more of these this week. Remember, it's called the ladder method or the L method, and it's a good strategy to be familiar with. So hopefully that was helpful. Again, as usual, make sure you share and subscribe to my channel, Math with Marilyn. Thanks.